Hello everyone, it's Angel, and in this video is actually dili niyo makita ay dili ko makaside kung ano yun na video kay ang ako description is like numbers lang. And I don't know kung ikapila ini na number kay marag feel na ako dugay-dugay ko pwede siya ma-upload sa ako ang YouTube diary. Yeah, I think it's Angel's Engineering Diary. And pero in this video, I won't edit this na. Pero um ano ba? Gusto na ko may ako malaong balat lang something. Uh, wait, I think marker kay mas dako siya. So, ini na lang and well, actually, like, I feel so alone mang good here sa house. Pero, yan na manghod sa quiet. Actually, I think turog siya kay Kikapoy. Pero, I actually asked ChatGPT. Actually, guys, you know what? ChatGPT is my friend na. I think, ChatGPT is my lover. Char. Oh, I must be future boyfriend. Charot. I asked ChatGPT, wait, what did I ask? Like questions for myself that anyone didn't know. So, like gahatag siya, I think daghan ni kaayo nga question, 25 questions pero na ay 5 categories. Pero gilaong na ako sige pa outro na ako nga naglaong ako na make it 10 questions lang. So, pick your best question or something like that. So, dili na ako ni Shotrohan per amay ni. First, that giano niya. Ay, wait. Maghimo na lang ako og kanang spin bita spin 1 to 7. Wait lang, guys. Bala na. Mag-spin. Spin the wheel. Then, 1 to 7. Unta, dili ni mo. Actually, wheel of names siya, pero dili names na. Ako lang ibutangan ni kay 1. 1, 2, 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, and lastly 10. So, ano ako ano ni? Questions for myself. So, ano na lang ang questions for myself that gusto lang na akong mag-video. Like, guys, I wanna be an influencer right now. Charis. I just wanted to, ito nung, like, gusto lang na ako mag-video bita of what I feel, like, or gusto lang na ako na ikachika. Guys, I feel so alone. Like, really. Like, I have friends, but, you know, they're in a different city. Wow. City dyan. Yeah, mahal kayo pamasahin, no? Kumain sila natin, and then my klase. Like, guys, I love my glasses. Everybody says that it looks good on me. And I look cute wearing this. Wow, cute. Pero, like, guys, di man ako mapakita sa inyo, pero ako manggod nyo siya, angan din aside something the camera, and then here is the spin the wheel. Charot. So, I'll click na to spin. Ano ka ha? And I don't know if mabati ba niyo ini, pero like this. Oy! Number 1! Really? Okay. So, we have here. Question number 1. What part of me am I scared to show others? And why? Ano kibali? What part of me? Siguro, ang like part man. So, I think pwede siya physical. Pwede. I think physical ini siya. Pero, guys, ano jud? Like, ang ko bito underarm. Yeah. Like, yeah. So, I'll answer this question based sa ako physical appearance. No. Ang ako jud underarm, like, I'm still trying to whiten this. Like, I've tried a lot of products to like whiten my underarms. Okay, duha man siya sa underarms. Pero, dili gyud siya whiten, and I don't know why. Like, I feel so insecure, jud, kanang mag sleeveless, or like basta makita sleeveless, or ano pa yan, basta yun makita agad something ang like yun nganhi balik nganhi, then like nganhi, and then makita bitawan nganhi, and then guys, ito mo jud kaayo siya, and like di siya brown, it's like super duper dark jud, and I don't know, hindi mo na like siguro basing laser na gayud din ang need. Pero like amo gid na ako like part of my body that I'm scared to show others kay I'm scared na basin. I know it's normal. Yeah. It is normal, pero like I'm so insecure to show it. Talaga. Because when I'll answer if like my attitude, like guys, di jud na ako ma-hide. And I don't I'm not scared if pag minandita ako sa mga tao. Pero like amo gid yun guys, ang pinaka top part of me jud na I'm scared to show others. Yeah. I think that's ano lang. And then, what if magsunod ini 1, 2, 3, 4, like ang pangit na siya. Pag ini 2 gihapon na. Kasi maklaro nga niya. Maklaro ba na niya? No, dili to. Huh? No, like otron ko tarot. I don't wanna. Di na dapat. Dapat shuffle. Oh, yeah, di. Adi, adi. Lahi. Dili siya to. It's number 4. Question number 4. What if di lang ako makasabot? So I'll skip na lang. Pero I'll ask na ChatGPT to. Make it simple so that I can understand. This. Am I becoming the person I truly want to be? Or just who others expect me to be? First and foremost, guys, in my like family or like community, they sa karon na mga era or generation namo is they don't either still part of them na gina-encourage kami or like ginalaong bitaw gid na ay ini did ani mo kuhaon na kurso or like program, like you need to be this something like that in order for you to make a lot of money and like in real life in the kanang reality yun. I think lagi ha John. Pero all I can say that yes, I am becoming the person I truly want to be. Jude, I really wanted to be a civil engineer, like majoring in structural engineering. Yeah. Yes, because like when I was a little Jude, like my cousin Precious and Chinchin, we used to kanang si Chinchin sagot kay taga Proctres, and then ato na time, and then we tend to hang out there sa Proctres, and then I have a uncle, yeah, my father's older brother na engineer, pero he is an electrical engineer. Pero, like, kusay sugod nga to kami na house balita sa ila Papa Jill. Oh, Papa Jill no Angel. Like, grabe siya ka. Pero, ano mang good ka nang na-inspire bito ako kay, like, Di ba yon sa kami sa ila, and then sa sala nila yun nga to table, and then nga sayaw na table is nga nabitang working space, di ba pa Jill? And then makita na ako like there's a dakod kaayo nga ano, dako kaayo nga papel, and later on na find na ko na ang tawag yon na dako na papel is plates. And then like I like murag na admire ako ba nito kay like nice bito ang work and something like that, pero I want it na ang ako gusto kay like floor plan ang ako gusto himuon o how ba lito yon kami yan gid na ako gusto. So naman pagka-college na ako I set jud, I mean dili jud pagka-college ng grade 8 gid ako na set ko gid siya na I wanted to be an engineer, a civil engineer majoring in structural jud. I made some research gayud na I want this. So for me in order to be ano engineer, like I thought na pagkuhaan ako sa kuhaan ako ng strand sa ng senior high is like, syempre dapat relatable lang. I mean, related. So, nag-STEM ako kay, I think, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics man in STEM. So, nag-STEM and then I pursue engineering. And guys, I am now a civil engineering student. Pero, I'm a second year student. Pero, I'm a first year study. Oh my goodness. And actually, I'm taking, and ang ako majors ko man is Physics 21, Physics for Engineers, and Calculus 2. Civil Engineering. Civil Engineering for, ay, Calculus for Civil Engineering 2? And I think, like, ang description. And, yeah, and actually, guys, expected yun na ako na, I'm a regular student now na. Pero, like, expected ko na gayud siya, guys, na ano yan, makuha na ako initial na degree, pero, like, oh my gosh, na-overwhelmed jud kaayo ko in ang first year. Like, oh my gosh, amo ba yung ining engineering? Like, I thought, like, ang mga memes ba nito, like, sa Facebook, YouTube, and everywhere, sa Threads, sa Instagram, yeah, amo sa ito na, mga era na may ako mga sadyo na platforms. Pero kuman, Messenger na natin niya, anak ka, and TikTok. Kaya may ako sa mga ka-state sa TikTok. Hala, dugay kay, uy. So, and like, yeah. Pero like, expected ko is, good na ako siya makaya na 4 years. Siguro, like, hopefully, Lord, 5 years lang. Ay, okay, 5 years. Guys, I pray na mapasar na mo ini na ako together with my siblings, and I feel like pressured yun kay ako na lang ang may physics, and then sila is like tapos na silang physics and ako na lang ang walay physics, like sakit kayo like sakit yun kayo guys pero yes, pero yes yun, I am becoming the person I truly want to be pero dili pa man jud like truly pero I am getting there. Tama ba? Like, I'm getting there. Guys, so, if may makakita manggali ini, like, bahala na kamoy. I hope na, understand niyo ang ako ang buot pasabot. And, lang, I just wanted to make, English use the English. And, syempre, pa-cute. And, I think amo dayad to because, like, wow! 14 minutes na. Oh my goodness! And second question pa man to, I know. So, hindi kita sa third question. Pag ini, Sri, ayoko talaga. Yes, it's a Sri. Question number 7. Ay! Question number 7. So, ano ba? What version of me am I slowly outgrowing? Ay, wait lang, ha? Ano? Ano pa ganito? What version of me am I? Siguro guys. Ano ba? Siguro, ano, dili na balito ako mag ano. Ay, wait. Balik kong question. What version of me am I slowly outgrowing? So, like Morgan mentioned, slowly overcoming it. Ano, guys? Yaon, mangutan na balita sa public. And, like, mag-order, like, fast food. And, like, yun mo, enter balita sa cafe na ikaw lang isa. You get that point? Like, because, oh my gosh, growing up, I've been stuck here at kanang sa house lang jud like if dili siyempre ako iban na yung gid ko ni sa house if dili anak mga kasi ako iban yaw ako sa house if like no one talks to me like wala jud shub yeah how nun amo gid yun and shyness I think shyness yeah o kuan isa you know what I bit ako faith kang Lord kay sa una sud kay like over jud kayo over ako kaayo ka malita and like I don't believe in God and then ginamak ko bitaw si Lord like guys nag-grades like when I was elementary like malita jud ko and like kanta ko bitaw ang YEWA like ginakanta-kanta na ako and then kuman Lord help me God ano jud like amo yun I think understand is siguro yun na ako mga questions no like I also wanted to get to know myself so that mga years from now, makitaan ko pa ini. Hopefully. And like another number. I have a lot of numbers pa ba guys. Kalimutan ko pila na ito na ako yung Hello. Question number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Mga pang fourth question pa na ocean number. Ay, hindi na ako learn. If I wasn't afraid of failing or disappointing anyone, what would I do differently? Ano? Siguro. Ano pa gani? Hay nito? Question if I wasn't afraid or disappointed. Um, Hello? Diba? I don't really know me. I don't know myself. If I wasn't afraid of failing or disappointing anyone. Hello? Siguro. Hello? Uy, ako kasi. If I wasn't afraid of failing, di lang ako mahadlok. Yeah, I understand the question, guys. Basi maglaong ka mo sa mga gapan. Oh, nang ini, basi maglaong ka mo na wa ako ma-understand. I understand the question, but I don't know what to answer. So, it's definite. So, it's still not no charot. I, ano, I, in, sa, my kanang family second is, they tend to tell us that bawal pa magka-boyfriend. Just, so, siguro, if there's a time na something, I have, I think sa good case, I think I found or find sa good something anak ko girl. May ako nag-grade supposedly X guys. Pero, because I'm afraid to disappoint anyone sa ko family sa una, awa ko man sa ininiyo ko man, dili na ako makauyab. Kay, wala lang. Like, guys, when someone or when there's a boy, there's a guy, there's a man, I don't know, charot. Pero if there's, a guy na would try to approach me, like, ipa-feel ko guys sa ila na I am not emotionally available, so that, I'll push them away. Ano bito? Because I am afraid that my family would kanang disappoint me or my guardian, especially dun my guardian. Kaya di ba, from time to time, they can abandon me. They could. They have a power to abandon me dun. Like, di ba? Because dili man ako nila priority dun in the first place. Ano ba nito? So, syempre, kaamo da sa gidanan ila, kuwan sa ako na, no boyfriend jud, no boyfriend or everything. Ano guys? And in terms of academics, I am not afraid jud na ma-fail ako ng subject. Pero I am afraid that to tell to my guardians na fail na ko ini na subject. Yung jud. I hope understand na you guys. Like, I think no. I think I need a psychiatrist just. I think like siguro I need someone jud. Guys, I'm 19 years old. I'm old enough to have a boyfriend. Pero like, oh, di ba? Wala na yung, like, guys, nang ni-enter dito ko college, why naging ka na, naging, tend to, ask, or like, something. Ano ganahan? I think, murag gani, wala mabuo na ganahan. So, it was sad. Anyways, going back to the next question. Going back? Looking, or, no, forward na. Question number 5. So, what is question number 5? What do I tolerate that I actually deserve better than? Hala? So, anyway, dili na ko ma-answer yung mga questions, guys. Ano kay ni dili? Pa-play safe ba ako? Or, like, Di ba? What do you think, guys? Like, it's been, ano na ba, 23 minutes and pa-play safe pa magyapon ako? Pa-play safe ba ako? Oh, I'm asking, like, there, like, oh my god, there's no person, shut up. What if, guys, may mulabal siya? I'm scared. But do I tolerate the actions better than, I, mm-hmm. Ano na lang ka, syempre. Siguro, guys, yun mga things balito. Ay, tolerate man. So, ay, dili ba? No, 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 it's not like that. I, taking kanang yung sa iban guys na like tolerate na ako na mga like they take advantage of me. Tama ba yung murag ilang take advantage ba dito, especially jud here sa family, kay murag musugot ako ng bisan and like I'm okay with everything even though I'm not. And if like may sugo, Like, even though I'm busy, ano ba dito? Like, ano ko gayon, ano, jud ka nang something. Tama ba? Like, ginatolerate na ako. Like, I think, ginatolerate na ako na I am available for anyone and anytime, everywhere. Gina-prioritize na ako pag may kuan sila sa ako. Pag may ilang kinahanglan sa ako. Pero, if ako na magkinahanglan sa ila, like that, di man same situation, like I understand them naman that, syempre, di jud, not all the time, na makaya nila. Alam mo yun. Way ako nabasa guys. Like, ano, pero, ano yun, I don't know, but guys, oh my god. Like, ano yun, gina, ano yun, siguro na ako ginatolerate. And, pag abot na sa ako, wala. I'll handle it, I'll handle it with my, ano, kanang own lang, with myself. Ano ba nito? Di yun. May point ba or pointless ang ini na ano, podcast ba ito? Charis. Oh, podcast. Ano yun guys? Hi. So, question. I think next question na kay. Wala. Wala yung ako. Question number 9. Actually, 3. Ay, 5 na lang. Question number 9. Pero kung 5 na, ini na question. So, what am I holding onto that is no longer hot? Ay, ini guys. Diba? I think I don't know nito na question, pero like, diba? There's something na had. I think afraid of failing, disappointing anyone. Like, wala ako ka my friend. Like, guys, I'm still holding into the idea of being treated right balito, like with your syempre man or like your lover. Kay syempre guys, I'm getting older and I'm still like I wanted gusto ko na magka-jowa. Actually, man ako na pressure sa mga friends ha. Kaya actually, most of my friends kay boys below him. Pero like guys, still holding on to having, a boyfriend. Pero it's no longer into me man. Yeah, I'm still holding into make a relationship with this guy that I met. Oh my gosh! It's been, ano na, wait, 9, 10, 11, 12. First, almost 7. No, that's good. No, that's good na lang ko, ano. Like, guys, because of that guy, like, during senior high, may mo, ano sa ako, kanang something like mo, makilink sa ako, pero like, I don't give them emotional availability. Ano mo? Tama ba? Don't give them. Because I'm still holding into that guy. Guys, one fuck, I made an ano ba yun? I made an Google Docs. And guys, pag i-click niyo ang link, yakong paghapon niya ito. Oh. But anyways, ano mo good case niya lang sa akin na I deserve better. Like, anak ko ya feel bito guys kay Murag. Ang iya lang na may mas better pa daw na guy for me. Ano, like, no bro, you are enough. Like, no brother, you are enough. Like, bro. Because it's been 7 years, like almost 7 years siguro. And I need to move on. I really need to move on into that guy. Kay, wala man nagkakami. Wala hindi ka kami. Pero MU kami. Kay, di ba, mutual understanding. Di ba? Or, wala, for him, wala ganyan to tanan. Pero like, guys, I'm open now to date anyone. Pero, syempre, I have my standards also. Dili kay sabak mo lang na, ay, ini siya kay available, like, and he likes me, then I like you back. No, guys, syempre, pamili sabta ng great guy for me, kay, di ba yung lain mas, sakit ba, mas sakitan, di ba? Yeah, I'm yet to get this, and I'm holding into that is no longer holding into me. I don't know. We don't know. Pero unfriend na ako siya sa Facebook, guys. And then, delete na ako ang convo. Pero, ang link, I don't know if i-delete na niya ng convo, pero ang link, guys, yaon pa. Nakalimot sa gusto ko uno niya to, na link. Yes. Yay. Pero nagsisi ako nag-send ko ito, guys. Cringe! Sabay siya, eh. Pero anyways, moving on to the next question. Hello, grabe. Uy, mas mo 1 hour ni, ha? Question. Question number 6. When do I feel most at peace? And why don't I allow myself to feel that more? I I feel most at peace. Patay ka, ototo na ko. I feel most at peace kanang when me and my cousins kanang magka-get together balita kami like guys I don't want to use phone or magka-iban kami na ako mga friends. Like, guys, I don't wanted to use my phone. Like, I just wanted to talk to this community that we have chat up. Like, I just wanted to talk, and talk. And I feel most at peace during the time. And why don't I allow myself? Syempre, guys, as we get older, we have different passion, different path. So that's why I don't allow myself to feel that more often. Kaya, syempre, magka-get together na kami during our free times. And when is it? During Christmas break, summer break, or mga kauntigid na niyon dakan. And sa ako sa mga friends, pag may available, pero Christmas break, summer break, wala gayud guys. Pero like, ako sa mga friends guys kay mga we don't need bitaw to chat like we don't need to chat more often so that our friendship kay in last lewat lang ano lang we kanang chat sometimes like life of Nate I am ano na I am this and this and this and this like guys or like guys ano dyan I wanted I miss my friends. I miss my family. My cousins. Yeah. I miss my siblings also. I miss really oh my gosh. Like I miss them. I miss everything. Like guys, nakin kayo diri. Siguro guys, if ako mangod, if din siya sa nim sa mga eskwela, ako dakan isa nga di. And it's so sad. And kaihiyon ako. Post ko na yun niya. Ihiyon na gina ko promise. I'm back! Siyempre, dili niyo mahalata. Char, mahalata. Kay, may hawa man ako. Pero hindi ako guys, kaya ako eh. Ano na? Next question na ba? Next question na. Ay, 3 more questions. Left. I miss. Did I miss? Question number 2. Yep. Mabati ka ni Niyu. What if dili? Question number, what do I secretly wish someone would understand about me? That having to explain it. So, I I'm an engineering student and I am super duper O-aged. And I will say to you guys that engineering is hard. It's very tough to be an engineering student. Like, I don't invalidate the feelings of like other programs ha. I don't na. Pero ako lang for me lang that engineering is tough. Being an engineer is super tough, Jud. Like, so I wish like someone na non-engineering, I mean like, I in wala ko side nun. I validate naman sa mga feelings kung maglisod sila, like ano, I am okay naman to hear something. Pero like guys, like, so I wish like when mag-rant ako or something like sa ako mga non-engineering persons kay I hope na they don't need bitaw like, I don't need to explain balito on that feeling kay like they tend to not they tend to not ah no basta dili gid nila bitaw ma feel ang ako ya feel. So in order to me na ma-feel yun, like I need to explain, like I need to further explain. Kaya nga ako stress or I don't, kaya nga ako nagsabi or na, ano like, for like naman balito, like, nag-istorya ko yun because like, like, I wish like someone wouldn't, I don't like kanang ano lang, kanang study lang dyan, study. Pero guys, yeah, I'm burned out. Pero I still encourage if you wanted to be an engineering student because we are different ba yan? What if ba yan? Mas bright ko sa shish. Pero like guys, I secretly wish someone would understand me about that without explaining, without having to explain it. Yung mga yun guys, yung pinaka kuan, top, sorry. Ano? Pero like, guys, baka mo, like, when they, ano lagi, I don't get the engineering hype. Kayo, pag, when they say, when I say na I'm an engineering student, like, marag, feeling good nila bito kay, like, brighty na kadayo kami. Guys, if you know my score, turn off ko kay Jamo. Like, oh. Pero like, I don't get the hype dyan na mo engineering student wants na. No, guys. Dili yung tinood na cliche. Not all engineering students, not all engineers jud are ano, very good at math. Most of us jud kay like determinado na dagid kami na makapasar. Ano balito? No guys. And I am scared. I'm super duper scared and everything. So moving forward, 2 questions left. Number 3 and number 10. Number 3. Ay, dapat may mga questions na nakibutang. Dili numbers. Diba? Una ito, number 3. What fear is quietly influencing my decisions right now? Wait lang ha. Oh, wait lang kay. No. Messenger na kita kaya messenger mo chat. So, going back. Ano ito? Number 3? Ano ito? What fear is quite influencing my decisions? I don't know. Ano? As an engineering student. Oh, grabe ka na yung boss. As an engineering student, guys. Murag, di man ano, pero di naman siya trend ha. Di niya siya trend ha. Pero, like at the end of the semester, jud, daghan, jud, kaayo, ang shift. Or, ano na lang, shifting form. Kana. Daghan jud kayo mag-take and I'm scared that my decision right now that I am really 100% want shift na or transfer na in different programs or different school. Pero, when at the end of the semester, like, mukalaw ako na what if. Haha, what if mag-shift na ako? Goodbye engineering. Like, my life would be easy. Easy peasy. Ano, amo jud. I'm scared to try something new aside from engineering. I'm really scared. Tama ba? Wait, search ko na. Tama ba? Tama. Oh my gosh, dili ko na ko sure sa akong answer. If tama, or dili. Pero like, gets money siguro ang top. No? I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's 42. Wait. Pero ako yung days eh. May ano. Na, high nito number 300 na ba ito? Like, mo shift dyan. Quiet o fear is quite influencing man. Fear na, like, yun may ako mabataan guys. Siyempre, 2 majors man, kanto ang physics man, ako majors ko man. And then, ano ako sa physics, ito mga blackmates ko sa physics kay, they ask, on them they saying na, oy, what if, like, ano ba ito guys, ano, what if I need to choose one in order for me to pass something. Kaya if I won't choose any of the two, I'll end up failing the two subjects. You get the point? Do you get the point? I hope you get the point. Yes, yung guys. Guys, I'll make a video ha. I'll make a video on if I passed this semester. All of it. Yun, it's pretty scary of failing, di ba? Instead of studying right now, I'm asking questions about myself. Anyways, hindi ko i-answer ko yung sakto, pero like, basta, muda ka niyon, kung yun ako gusto ikon. So, last naman number 10, oh, spin ko gyapon. Number 10. kapoy na ko. Number 10. Di na ako satisfied sa mga answers. Why is it? Di na ako satisfied. Hi guys. Hi my future kids. Hi my future boyfriend. I miss you so much. Chan. Wow. What do I need? Question number 10. What do I need right now? Emotionally, mentally, spiritually, that I'm not giving myself. Ask ko ini. I don't get it. Ha? Alam ko tara. Ha? Alam ko si GPT. Ha? Ah? Oh, grabe ako. Ask ko pa, what do I... Di sagod. Kaya ay, basin sagod papilion ako ng emotionally what do I need right now. Kung emotionally ba or mentally or spiritually that I'm not giving to myself. So, ano daw, if I was taking care of myself properly, what would I give myself? Actually, I am lacking yun of, kalimutan sa ba? I think all, emotionally. But when we say emotionally and then mentally, actually, spiritually, I mean, tanan na lang tanan. So, I'm lacking of spirituality. Kay, I think murag ungrateful ako kan Lord kay I keep on asking, manifesting kan Lord. Pero, dila ako grateful enough. Balitaw, like, dila ako like hilig og maghatag og feedback or gratitude kay Lord. Amo yun na nako lacking sa spirituality. Like, di ba? I'm lacking og maghatag ako ng sa pagalina. Oh, gratitude. And wait, I'll ask. So, emotionally, emotions, mentally, mental, emotions, feelings. Hindi ka mental mo feelings. So, I don't get it. I don't get the difference of the two. Oh, di ba? Mentally, your thoughts. I, ini. I'm lacking of, kaya di ba, ang mentally, your thoughts. Ano guys? I think lack of focus. Diba? Kaya instead of studying right now, what did I do? I did a video, diba? Diba? I did a video! I think after this video, I'll upload it so that I can delete this. Kay murag taas kayo ha, almost 1 hour. Pero, ang sa ako ang ano dyan, I'm lacking sa mentally, kabat, mentally kay lack of ano jud focus. That's why guys sibaw ka mo like yung palit akong vitamins for focus. Kaya para pag mag-study ako kay murag yeah. Pero guys kay ano kay when I take the quiz or o pa may exam ha. Pero like so mga previous sa una ng mga exam kay quiz pa man karon kay oh my gosh, I'm scared. Wait lang ha. Oh. I-open ako. Kuan ka, I'm scared. Charot. Lack of kanang mentally kay yun pag mag take bitaw ko ng quiz or exam kay I don't think I am prepared enough. Char. I know, yung feel ko like may something is off na sa ako. Mental. Like, murag ma-mental block sa ako guys. So, di ba, when ma-mental block ako, syempre, it means that I didn't prepare enough. Di ba? I didn't prepare enough for myself. Eh, oo na nga. Sorry pa nga. Yeah, that, like, I need to focus more on studying. But it's breaking my... Pero ako sa... Ako brain, kaya di ba ma-drain? Actually, guys, ako so good. I think di jud effective na ako studying style. Okay, share ko sa iyo ha, studying style ko. Magkuha ko laptop. And then, so what? I understand the concept. Yes, I understand. But I don't know how to apply the concept. Diba? Because like when I write something, sa because when I ano mong when I write problem, I mean when I solve na the problems, ano na dahil guys, yun I tend to always ask ChatGPT for the solutions and find an answer. So, di ba? What, so, di effective na ako studying style. Kay, pero may man ako mag-search. Di ba? So, anak ko emotion. Ano? I feel alone here in this house. Kay, even though yan na manghod, or yan sila mang bibi or sila mama, mama bibi or si mama, si mama an-ans at yan, kay feeling ko yapon I'm alone. Kay, syempre, like, ako as an irregular student, dili jud full and ako schedule. So, 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 that's why. Like, I feel, like, pagyaon na bitaw kani kay murag, instead of studying, di na ako makastudy kay feeling ko, I'm lonely, and pagkali bitaw na ako, like, emotions, I feel alone, like, I feel unappreciated, yun bitaw, na kind of feeling, and, like, no one dares just to ask or chat me, like, kamusta? O dyan balito. And they always cannot tell lang gusto ko sila ng kwarta or dyan. Pero like, no one dares to ask, how am I? Diba? Ano dyan? So, when someone asks me how I feel like, mulang din, mulang gano'n sila, I love you, like, love you, something, ano yan, sa mga friends, like, kung doon yun, hindi, sure. Minsan sinon gano'n siguro sila mag-follow, kasi sila Marian, kasi sila Marian, sila, Aline, wow, kibalik mo, wow. Fall, fall, fall. Psh, forget this. I want to So guys, anak, when being kibal, am I what? I don't know anymore. Forevermore, to the moon and back. I think I'm to guys, kay it's almost 1 hour talking to you guys. Diba? And I think I'll end this here. And I don't know kung sino man ang makakita na ini. Kung matapos ba ni mo ini. And I hope and pray that me and my friends, my blockmates, ako pasay kuman, and whatever may the result of from the quiz that we had, hopefully dili kami mawala ng pag-asa. Pag-asa na ikaw na niyo ito guys. Pero like, oh my gosh. Worth 80 points and then mabagsak ka. Oh my gosh, it is so tough talaga. Like lahig good siya ng labanan. Labanan! Pero amo dito guys, ang updating kay, di ba? Yung ano na, I don't know anymore, forevermore. Yun na. Ay, gusto ko na sa mga stock na. Anong dito guys? I love you all so much. At sa makita ini, love you, mwah, mwah, mwah. I miss my future ko. I want to have a boyfriend na. Charis. Like kilig, like butterflies mix. Okay lang. Anyway, so ito guys. Love you all.